What is up, guys? Just wanted to show you my little build I got going on. Got the Marksman V4 slide from Brownells, Radiant Afterburner, 507C Hollow Sun, green dot. Got the Mariglow sights. Thinking about changing those out. Something I could see in the dark. Got the TLR1 Streamlight, Handle It Grips, Edge Series. Got the SLR Magwell. Yeah, pretty much. What you guys think? I already know you guys are gonna talk shit. But anyways, I'm gonna try to stipple this myself, take this off. So I'm changing out this, sights, changing out the light.